So I didn't know this until after the fact. But Dan was gonna propose, and he proposed here. But we stayed here like getting ready for the show, Illuminations, which is one of my favorite shows. And this guy sees we were here, and there was like a bunch of other people with kids and stuff. He comes out of nowhere and literally stands right in front of me. And I was there, and then Dan was behind me. And Dan must have been like, you know, normally Dan would be like, yo, I'm gonna protect my girl. I got this, right? And me, because I am 305 till day I die, I was like, oh no. And I was just about to like say something, and Dan literally was like what you said, like it's not worth it. My blood was boiling. Tried to enjoy the show. Show was finished. Turned around to just be like, and Dan was down on one knee with this ring.
That's not how it happened at all.
How it happened then?
Not at all, but like a lot of that is wrong.